Welcome to Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. Hey, my family is going to join me in the single seed challenge. The whole point of the single seed challenge is to focus on one plant and appreciate the potential of a single seed to grow this great, wonderful plant, whether it's a fruiting plant, a root plant, whatever you like to do. I've even seen somebody planting some citrus seeds. Well, that's ambitious, but good for you, man. So my family's decided to join me, and we're in the process of planting and selecting our seeds, and it's just another opportunity to have some unique plants that we can treat as individuals and appreciate them rather than as a whole crop. Okay, so I have my family here, my wife Angie, and you know Sam, and we're going to pick some seeds today, and we're going to have 3 single seed challenges going in our house. I started mine a couple of weeks ago, and a couple of days ago, I guess, and it's not come up yet. I might have to start over, but we're going to do some others as well, so it's time to sift through our seeds and pick something. So,
start sifting?
well, I mean, what do you like? I got a bunch of flowers, and I have this miniature sunflower. I thought that might be kind of cool.
You thinking of flowers?
Right off the bat, I kind of like this one.
I need some of those actually. I need marigolds.
Colossus red gold bicolor.
Check out this black pansy.
Oh, that's pretty.
I don't know. I've never grown a pansy.
What's this, a melon medley?
No, it'll say up there at the top.
Hot pepper, brown jalapeno.
Ooh, I need to grow some of those too.
A Seminole pumpkin.
Seminole
Yeah.
Pumpkin.
Did you already grow those?
I don't think they came up. Does it say Seminole?
It says
Oh,
Seminole.
that's the one from Hawaii, right?
Toothache.
Does it say on there?
Yes. This is what caught my eye, is the Seminole pumpkin so far. Are these options?
Those are options on the left. The ones on the right are things that are going into the garden this year. And I'm kind of the idea with the single seed challenge is to pick something unique that you're not necessarily growing out there in the garden. They're all going.
What's this, kohlrabi?
Yeah, you know what?
Is that what that is?
I have some other kohlrabi.
How do I even know what that is?
That's what it is.
What is it?
I've never eaten kohlrabi, so we're gonna find out what
What is it
kohlrabi tastes
primarily
like.
used in?
You just eat it. Most people seem to eat it fresh, grate
A
it up.
cold, hearty, delicious cabbage-flavored bulb
Big stripy
that
guy.
grows above the ground, purple skin, sweet white flesh. I've heard of it, obviously. Oh, this is what you're doing,
That's what
correct?
I'm growing. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's my single seed.
Those are
challenge.
cute.
They're supposed to be
Phoebe.
pretty fiery. The Seminole pumpkin.
Yep.
Let me see. So the story on the Seminole pumpkin seeds that I have here, Seminole pumpkin is Cucurbita moschata, and it's a good choice for growing in places where you've got vine borers because it roots along the ground. But these come from Dayna Robertson. Go check out her channel. She's gardening in Hawaii, and so I got these in 2019. Back then, when I grew some of these, I tried to sprout them. They didn't come up, so we might have to do a start over. But my wife has chosen Seminole pumpkin, and the source is a friend. Oh, you changed your mind?
No, what if I want to be extra and do another?
Okay, we're gonna do
A 2-seed challenge.
extra single seed challenge.
Because
Double seed
if one
challenge.
is good, 2 is better, right?
Yeah. 3 heads are better than 1. Angie has chosen a poppy and a pumpkin. Interesting choice. And Samuel has chosen marigolds, and we do need marigolds, so I can't grow any more of that one in my garden. I'm going to grow just one Colossus red gold bicolor. When we plant seeds, you want a clean container, and that's not clean, so I'll wash this out. But we also need to pre-moisten our soil, so that's going to be your job. Hold on. And mix that around until the soil gets nice and wet. See how it doesn't want to take up that water until you squeeze it? So mix it around. It's okay, we have plastic down so you can... Is it goopy and holding together?
It's not quite goopy, but it's certainly not pleasant.
Let me see. Bring up a chunk in your hand and show it to me. Because that's good enough. Because all we're trying to do is break the surface tension of this peat moss mix. This is just a regular commercial seed starting mix, and you have to pre-moisten it to get the best performance. Now that it's pre-moistened, when we water it, water will, percolate down in there. All right, let's plant some seeds. Such nice penmanship. So
Not the part that goes down into the dirt.
Oh yeah.
Dirt.
Mom's penmanship is awesome. Penwomanship. So let's see.
They're pumpkin seeds.
All right,
Pepitos.
we want to find one.
That's what they're called.
Pepitas.
Sorry.
Okay, it's your choice.
Well,
So we want to find one that looks well formed.
that one looks nice. This one looks like he has a blemish. I like this guy.
All right, so let's put the rest of them back. There's our single seed Seminole pumpkin. We hope that it will grow.
Oh dear, these are like
molecules.
microscopic. Just pick one?
We pick one. It's the single seed
boy.
challenge.
I need like pinchers or something. Like
Use the label. Use the point of the label. And the rest we can put them on bread and eat them. Can you even see them?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that little guy right there.
Well, that was quick. Awesome. There is the potential in that less than a millimeter seed to grow a beautiful plant,
How do I
a
get
tall plant, and that's what we're after, to see the beauty of what these seeds can do, the potential that's stored up in there. All right, let's see what we got here.
Oh, wow.
All right, we want to find one.
Straight.
Interesting.
It looks
Little
good.
line segments.
Yeah. Look at it though. Most of the others have a little bit of the dead stuff on top, and that's more normative. Maybe you would want to find one
Dead
that has
stuff.
a little bit of that on it, just so you make sure you get something that isn't an anomaly. You know, something weird with it. That's it, right?
That's the one.
That's your choice. All right, let's clear off all those other fellows without losing our poppy seed. Just pat it down. Now for the poppy, let's make sure the surface is kind of flat. This has to sprout at 60 to 65 F, which is about what it's like these days
Degrees?
outside, right?
Fahrenheit?
We might start.
Yeah.
We might start this one outdoors. It might not need to go under the lights. It'll be too hot.
So that little baby's gonna just go right on top.
Yep. And you'll lose it in there, so.
Alright. That didn't work too good. There, it's on my
There it is.
thumb.
All right, and it goes.
I guess it went.
It's so
I don't
very
see
small.
any. Oh, there it is.
Okay, just smear it on the surface there. I think you got it. It's crazy just doing one single poppy seed.
I hope that's over there. I don't know.
All right, stick your label in and we'll water them in. All right, Sam, you gonna put yours in?
Yeah.
All right, so pack that down a little bit so that it's flat.
Oh, son.
Didn't think about that.
Now you have experience and wisdom, right? Oh, look, it's the consequences of your actions. That's what your brother likes to say. All right, so take your marigold seed and spear it in there, black tip down. They will sprout if they're just on horizontal, but you don't even need a hole for this one. It's not like the other stuff you've planted. You can just shove it in there,
Black part down.
point down, yeah, and give it a little boost so it disappears just beneath the surface. There you go. And you could pinch a little soil over it if you wanted to. All right, so with a pumpkin seed, if it's viable, is pretty easy to sprout. We'll put that one under the lights with the marigold. So all you want to do, you want to usually plant a seed about as deep as twice its length. So you want to put that down there about 3/4 of an inch, just shove it in there with your pretty nails. There you go, and pinch the soil over. That might be just perfect.
Alright.
That's gooding.
Oh my.
Sunk down in there, huh? All right, let's go put these up in the grow room, which used to be Sissy's room. All right, so we're gonna put these two here. This is my single seed challenge without a label. I will have to label that one now that we've got some more going. And there are the other two. That's awesome. Let me see that.
Look on
want to do something.
If you would like to participate in the single seed challenge, go watch this video that tells you everything you need to know on how to participate, you know, the idea behind it. But if you already know what the challenge is about, just remember, put the hashtag Single Seed Challenge 2021 in your Single Seed Challenge videos so that we can find each other. And there is a user, I forgot his username, but he's assembled a database on Google spreadsheets or whatever, and you can go and see everybody there as well. He can't find you if you don't use the hashtag. So participate in this challenge whenever it's right for you to grow. Some of you guys can't start seeds right now. It's, you don't have lights, or it's too cold outside, or the variety you selected is a fall variety and so you have to wait to sow that. That's okay. It's a year-long challenge. All right, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That really encourages us, and we'll talk to you next time. Happy gardening.